Host Coach is a comprehensive guide focused on achieving financial freedom through short-term rental investing, specifically via platforms like Airbnb. Cullen and Danielle Tate, both successful short-term rental hosts, offer a detailed, step-by-step blueprint for turning a vacation home into a profitable investment. With their personal experience hosting 8 properties and managing hundreds of clients, they break down the process of leveraging the short-term rental market to generate cash flow and long-term wealth. The book is tailored to both beginners and experienced investors. It opens by addressing common questions and concerns for those new to Airbnb hosting, such as, can I make money with a vacation rental? And where should I invest? From selecting the right property and securing financing, to creating a compelling listing and managing day-to-day operations, the Tates guide readers through every stage of building a successful short-term rental business. Central to their strategy is the use of Airbnb's algorithm. The Tates emphasize the importance of crafting listings that not only attract guests, but also perform well within the platform's search engine, ensuring high occupancy rates. Readers are introduced to tools and systems that streamline operations, minimize risk, and maximize profit margins. In addition to technical know-how, Host Coach discusses the mindset and motivation needed for success. It encourages readers to think beyond traditional real estate investments by viewing short-term rentals as a way to achieve both financial freedom and lifestyle flexibility, whether that means spending more time with family or pursuing other passions. The book also includes real-life success stories from the Tates coaching clients, demonstrating how strategic short-term rental investments can significantly boost income. For those already hosting, the Tates offer advice on scaling operations and growing a portfolio. In essence, Host Coach is not just a how-to book. It's a roadmap to building a thriving business in the rapidly expanding world of short-term rentals, empowering readers to create wealth and live life on their terms.